Welcome back to our channel 1 to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Bank of America EDD account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in BOA EDD login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results from this. Click on the first link where it says EDD prepaid debit card sign in. Once you click on it, you will get to this page. On this page, you will have to provide a username. So go ahead and enter your username. And if you want the system to remember your username, you can click on this checkbox and it will save your login infos for next time. And if you don't have any username, you can click on this link to get a username. And in case if you don't remember your username, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you have entered your username, you can click on continue button. Then it will take you to the next page. On this page, you'll have to provide your password. So go ahead and enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you have entered the correct credentials, you can click on the continue button and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.